Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a very yummy appetizer for your holiday party. Crispy on the outside and bursting with cheesy goodness inside. Kids and adults will love this starter and it will be a total hit of your party. Let's see how to make them. Come on. I have taken shredded mozzarella cheese and we will season this with some spices. This is such a quick and easy recipe to make for any snack time. Freshly shredded carrots, green peppers and onions will make it so delectable. Give it a good mix and we will set it aside for a while until we make the other preparations. These are boiled and mashed potatoes and we will season them also for the coating to be yummy. I'm keeping it simple and not adding too many flavors. Cornstarch for binding the potato mixture together. We will mix this well, making sure all the seasonings are well blended and keep aside for 10 minutes. Let's make the croquettes. I have oiled my palms so that the potato mixture doesn't stick to my hands. Flatten this evenly and we will fill this with the cheese mixture. Tightly press the mixture and start closing on all sides. Make sure there is no gap or opening, otherwise the cheese will ooze out. Take your time and close all sides well. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for such yummy recipes I post every week. We will now coat it in plain breadcrumbs and make sure all sides are coated evenly and well, making a round shape. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Make the rest similarly. Keep these aside for 10 minutes for the breadcrumbs to absorb any moisture. Fry them in medium hot oil until golden, turning once. Fry in small batches so that they don't open up. Let them fry on their own and turn only once. These look so good and they disappear quickly as kids and adults both love them a lot. They are perfectly golden and crispy. The cheese has started oozing out and it's time for us to take them out. Let me open one and show you. Crispy on the outside and cheesy on the inside. Awesome, right? Who wouldn't love these? Thanks for watching and enjoy. I'll see you next week with another lovely recipe. Until then, bye.